हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल लिव लाइफ विद जया। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। मैं यहाँ एकदम फिट एंड फाइन हूँ। एंड वी माई फैमिली एंड आई वेंट फॉर अ स्मॉल वेकेशन। वी वेंट टू साउथ लेक टाहो एंड मैमोथ माउंटेन्स दिस टाइम। सो मैंने कुछ छोटी मोटी शॉपिंग की है वहाँ से। सो पता है मेरा ना, मुझे इंस्टेड ऑफ शॉपिंग फ्रॉम अ मॉल, मुझे वो वेन एवर यू गो टू एनी वेकेशन प्लेसेज एंड यू सी दो स्मॉल लोकल शॉप्स, दोज फैसिनेट मी मोर। कि वो जो लोकल शॉप्स होते हैं उसमें जो छोटी छोटी क्यूट चीज़ें होती हैं या जो लोकल लोग बनाते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत फैसिनेट करता है, अच्छा लगता है। तो जनरली व्हेन आई गो टू सच काइंड ऑफ प्लेसेस, वेदर इट्स अ माउंटेन और नियर बाय बीचेस, इफ आई गेट दोज लोकल शॉप्स, I try to purchase few beautiful cute things from there. And or yeah, we went for a vacation to South Lake Tahoe and Mammoth Mountain, so that travel vlog will come shortly. So till that time I thought to share some of my shopping haul with you. So few things जो मैंने ली हैं, those are day to day use things जो मुझे लगा कि it's necessary, I should purchase it. और कुछ चीज़ें are very cute that I just I just saw them and I fall in love with them. So I thought I have to have it. So I'm going to start. So first I purchased these two bottles. So these are pretty daily use ones. So I thought it will be very good for my daily use purpose. And they are actually, they're in a very good quality. And I really liked it a lot. Maybe the color was so vibrant. So these two I took. And then from that same shop, I didn't remember the name of the shop because it was a local shop there. So I purchased these two beautiful detailing cups, glasses. So it has a Mickey Minnie Mouse. So one I purchased for myself and one for my daughter because they were so cute. Then I purchased a small cute tiffin box for my daughter. So sometimes I give some slice of bread or I could cut some fruits. So I just, this one is I think the accurate size, and it was super cute. So I just purchased it. उसके बाद I went to a Mammoth Mountain. So from there was a local shop. So they were selling some very pretty Christmas stuffs. So मुझे वहाँ पे I just like this coffee mug, and it says all is calm and all is bright. So मुझे इतना cute सा pretty सा लगा. And I just love red color. So when I saw this, I just within a second I fall in love with it. तो एक ये मैंने खरीदा. Show you the whole detailing. So this was super cute. Achha, another I purchased one this. So it has the initial of Mammoth in it. So I have this thing that whenever I go to some places, so वहाँ का जो कुछ initial लिखा हो ऐसा मैं कुछ उठा के ले आती हूँ because I like to keep them as a memory कि I went to this place. And again, I just love this color. Again, the outside is black and inside is red, so I have to fall in love with it. So one this I purchased, and this one is the super cute one. I really liked it a lot. So I thought that instead of using it, I'll use it as my showpiece. ये मुझे बहुत cute सा लगा. So एक ये cup I purchased. Then all of my friends who know me or who are watching my vlogs, you all know that I'm a chocolate person. So I just like to have a good quality cocoa in my hot milk. So this I purchased from the local store, and I know this is very good because generally I purchase such kind of cocoa, and I think the quality is very good. So this one I purchased. After that, I forgot to take my gloves, so there I have to purchase this one. And so this one I purchased for myself, the quality is very good. And this one I purchased for my daughter. These two I purchased from there. So ये बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. Then it was very cold, it was chill there. So I purchased these two caps also. These are super hot ones. So this one is like this is very simple one. It's pretty cute. और एक ये मैंने लिया, एंड इसमें तो मैमोथ की डिटेलिंग है. It has an initial of mammoth in it. So ये दो, these two I purchased from there. Then I purchased, I just love these stockings which I purchased from there. So Christmas is now, Christmas to ho gaya, but you know I can decorate it in my New Year Eve also. I think they will look pretty good. So I took a pair of 3. So isn't it super cute? So one this, and one this, and one this. So these were set of 3. So I really like them a lot. इतने क्यूट थे ना ये तीनों. So I purchased these 3. Then I like this a lot, this teddy. ये मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा ना that I just fall in love with it. White snowy color. So actually I purchased this one for my daughter, that I'll give her a surprise gift, और ये मुझे ही पसंद आ गया है. So this one is super cute. Then मैं हूँ तो I'll purchase some artificial plant. तो ये भी I purchased from there. This is super cute. I just like this one. उसके बाद ये दोनों, this I purchased from these are not, these two are not from local shops. These two I purchased from from there only, from a mall. The shop was Cotton On. So from there I purchased these two, and I got these two in a very good deal. So these are super comfortable and warm. So I purchased these two from there. So if anyone who lives in US, you maybe you will be knowing about Cotton On shops. So they are having some very good deals for warm clothes. So from there I purchased this. Then this one, these two are my favorite one. I'm going to show you. See, I am there. So कुछ red का तो मैं खरीदूंगी. और I'm going to show you this. ये पता है, ये मुझे super cute लगा. See, कितनी प्यारी सुंदर डिटेलिंग की गई है पैर में. This and show you. See, this is so cute, right? They are super cute. तो एक ये मुझे, this one I liked a lot, and the second one, white color. This is also one of my favorite, and again show you the detailing. See, you don't need any shoes to wear. These are super cute. So these two I purchased from their local I purchased from the local shops there. So these two are, मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आया. I just fall in love with them. So I have to have them. So these two, hope you can see it. Then I purchased this. I got a set of some beautiful collection. I'm going to show you. This one is my favorite. So this I purchased for myself. So this is a beautiful, this I purchased from Bath and Body Works. Sorry, Bed Bath was in my mind. Bath and Body Works. So this is a beautiful packet. They did the packaging here. So isme first I got this, the Japanese cherry blossom. This is a mist. It has a very beautiful fragrance of cherry. So this, and then this one is the gel. These all are of same flavor, fragrance. This one is the gel, and then this one is the body butter, body. Show you. This one is the body lotion, body butter, and I got hand cream also. So this is a combination of 4 things. So they have a mist, they have a gel, they have a body lotion, and a hand cream. And these are awesome. You mean whether you talk about the fragrance or whether you talk about the quality. Yeah, I know these things are a bit costly, but it's worth it. So I just fall in love with them. So ये एक मैंने खरीदा for myself, and it came like this. So this was a beautiful packaging they did for Christmas. तो ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. And another thing which I purchased for myself is, ta-da! This is the cover, which says "Believe in Holiday Magic." I just like the detailing, the packaging, all they did, and there is a ribbon also. So you just open it like this. Isn't it cute? And then when you open the box, this is something like this. I'm going to show you. See. So it has Bath and Body Works champagne toast. This is the shower gel, and then champagne toast body cream and the fragrance mist. So I really like this combination. So I just purchased this for myself. I thought to pamper myself also in this holiday season. So, and these were so good, you know. Even the quality, the fragrance, even the packaging detail. So to put the ribbon, it's like this. It is very good. It's also one of very good for giving gift to someone, to you, to yourself, or to your loved ones, and they will definitely love it. So this was my small winter shopping haul for myself, and few I'm going to give to my loved ones. So hope you liked my channel. Hope you liked my video, you enjoyed it, or maybe you got some ideas what you are going to give to yourself or to your loved ones in this winter and holiday season. So if you liked anything in this vlog, or if you enjoyed it, or if it was informative, do write me on the comment section below. I would love to read your comments, and please do subscribe my channel. And till that time, spread lots and lots of love, and bye bye, tata, take care of yourself, and yes, stay tuned for my vacation vlogs. Soon, shortly I'm going to post them. Thank you. Bye.